Dear students of class 8, are you? Welcome again to my class. In my previous class, I discussed transformation of sentences and discussed on how to make a sentence from affirmative to negative. I discussed six rules on how to make the sentence negative from affirmative. Now, I will discuss the rest of the rules. If there is as soon as in a affirmative sentence, then it will be replaced with no sooner had ... than. Suppose there is a sentence like, as soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. This is a affirmative sentence. So as soon as will be replaced with no sooner had. So in negative, the sentence will be no sooner had the thief. No sooner had the thief see the police. Had the thief see the police, then he ran away. In affirmative, it was as soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. The rule says if there is as soon as in affirmative, then it will be replaced with no sooner had ... than. Thus, I have written no sooner had the thief see the police, then he ran away. Sorry, seen the police, then he ran away. Have you got? Okay. Then go to next. If there is superlative degree in affirmative sentence, then we will replace this superlative degree with positive degree. But superlative must be replaced with positive. How? Suppose the given sentence is, he is the best boy in the class. He is the best boy. This is the affirmative sentence. In negative, we will make it positive. How to make it positive? In that case, we use no other boy. Class is as good as he. Then go to next rule. Sometimes we use opposite odd or negative form of a given odd to make it negative. Or we use no or not before the affirmative odd. Suppose that is a sentence, I shall remember you. This is a affirmative sentence. We use opposite odd to a affirmative odd. I shall remember you. Then to make it negative, we will write I shall remember. What is the opposite of the word remember? Remember, the opposite of remember is forget. And as I have used the opposite word of the given word, and I am going to make it negative. So before the opposite word, I will add not. I shall not forget you. The meaning is same. That is a important notice for you that you cannot sense the meaning of a given sentence. You can only sense the form of a given sentence. For transformation, only the form will be sensed. No meaning will be sensed. I shall remember you. That means I shall not forget you. The meaning is same, but the format is different. If we say in Bangla, I shall remember you, means আমি তোমাকে মনে রাখবো বা স্মরণে রাখবো। আমি তোমাকে নাবোধক যখন এটাকে করছি তখন আমরা এটাকে করছি কি I shall not forget you, আমি তোমাকে ভুলে যাব না। আমি তোমাকে স্মরণ রাখবো এবং আমি তোমাকে ভুলে যাব না, দুটো বাক্যই একই অর্থ। Try to keep in mind that you cannot sense the meaning of a given sentence. You can make the sense of the form of its form. Only you can sense the form of a given sentence. In case of transformation, then go to next rule. if there is always, if there is always in affirmative sentence, then we will replace this always with never. Always will be replaced with never. And when we use never instead of always, the given verb or adjective will be replaced with the opposite part. Suppose the example is, I always agreed with him. I always agreed with him. This is a affirmative sentence. I will write, I always will be replaced with never. So instead of always, I will write, I never agreed. This is a verb there. So I will write the opposite of this verb is agreed. Opposite is disagreed. Disagreed. So the answer will be, I never disagreed with him. In the given sentences, I always agreed with him. In affirmative, we will write, I never disagreed with him. Here, the meaning is same as in affirmative and in negative form of this sentence. So, what will you do? You will sense the form of the given sentences. Then go to next. I will erase this space as there is no space below this space. If there is 2 dot dot 2 dot dot 2, then this 2 dot dot 2 will be replaced with so dot dot that, so dot dot that plus subject plus cannot or could not. So dot dot that plus subject plus cannot or could not. If the sentence is in present form, then we will write cannot, and if the sentence is in past form, then write could not. Suppose the given example is she is too weak to talk. Two dot dot 2. Then in negative sentence, died. She is TW2 will be replaced with so. She is so. Right? Then adjective. She is so weak. Then this 2, TO2 will be replaced with that. Then she is so weak that, then subject plus cannot or could not is. So this is a present tense. So this is an example of present tense. So what is the subject in this sentence? She. Then we use she. Then cannot or could not. As this is present, we use cannot. Then the rest of the sentence. So the rest of is awk. Read it. She is so weak that she cannot walk. She is too weak to walk. Means she is so weak that she cannot walk. The meaning is similar, only the form is different. Then go to next row. If there is as dot dot as dot dot as, then we will use not less, and before not less, sorry, not less dot dot then we will use not less dot dot then. Suppose the example is she says wise as me. She is as wise as me. This is a affirmative sentence. Then to make it negative, we will write she is not less wise than you. Follow the sentence. I have used not less instead of past s, and then instead of second s. She's as wise. I have used not less wise, and I have replaced as the second s with then, and the rest of odds or odd will be used in the same form. Have you got? Yes. So if there is, go to next. If there is many in a affirmative sentence, then this many will be replaced with not a few. Not a few. Suppose the example is there are many students in the class. There are many students in the class. This is a affirmative sentence, and the rule says we use many, not a few instead of many. So the sentence will be in negative. The sentence will be that are not a few students in the class. You got? I replaced many with a few, not a few. I replaced many with not a few. And it is there are not a few students in the class. Have you got? Then a cube, go to next cube. If that is, let me erase the word as there is no more space below. Then if there is a cube in a affirmative sentence, then this few will be replaced with not many. Suppose the example is I have a few friends. I have friends. This is a affirmative sentence. To make it negative, uh, I will replace this a few with not many. I have few friends. So in negative, it will be I have not many friends. Have you got? This is very simple. Then go to next rule. If there is a little, there is a little, then this a little will be replaced with not mass. Suppose the example is I have a little rice. I have a little rice. This is a affirmative sentence. Then in negative, I will write I have not mass rice. This is very simple. Have you got? Only a little is replaced with not mass, and there is no other sense. Then, if there is mass in an affirmative sentence, then this mass will be replaced with not a little, not a. This is opposite to our previous view. Here it was a little will be replaced with not mass. So if there is mass, then it will be replaced with not a little. The example will be such as he has mass money. He has mass money. This is a affirmative. Then To make it negative, we write he has not hope all of have understood the rules I have discussed today and also in my previous class. If not, contact with me and I will try to solve your problem. And follow these rules again and again until you got it uh, clearly. Thank you everyone for watching my class.